If you want the absolute fastest internet on your iPhone when you're connected to mobile networks like your AT&T or Verizon or T-Mobile, I'm going to show you how to get 5G, make sure it's compatible, and make sure it is on and being used. So first, just head into the Settings app of your iPhone. From the Settings app, tap on Cellular midway down. And then tap on Cell Data Options, or it might say Mobile Data Options. From here, first just tap on Voice and Data. You can see if it's set to LTE, LTE is basically the same as 4G, and this slows down your iPhone. However, I would recommend switching to 5G Auto if you want 5G on all the time, or 5G on if you want 5G on all the time, or 5G Auto chooses when to turn it on depending on your needs. However, that's not everything you need to turn on. After you've done that, tap the back arrow at the top left, and then tap on Data Mode right under it. From here, tap on Allow More Data in 5G. This will switch to 5G if your Wi-Fi connection, if you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, is slower than 5G. It'll bump it over to 5G, allowing you to get the fastest data speeds possible. This allows you to stream videos, internet, check websites, all of that stuff without any bugs or glitches or slowdowns in them. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.